For the next summer solar light Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to use one of these lemon glasses from the kitchen aisle at Dollar Tree. And I want to make it into a little lemon lantern using a solar light. The solar light that I'm using is actually one of the solar lights from Dollar General. And then I'm going to use one of the decorative jar lids from the Dollar Tree. One reason I'm using that is because I think that that open grid will allow my solar light to still charge, right? And it can help me block in the top of this because I want to use the glass upright. Otherwise, my lemons just all look like they were upside down. So the first thing I did was just glue the grid into the jar lid, and then I'm going to glue the solar light top into it. Now, you could probably use the solar light from Dollar Tree too. It might be a little bit bigger, and this is a little bit skinnier, the Dollar General solar lights, but they are cheaper at Dollar General. You get 6 for $5. I just filled the gap in with some rope and some hot glue, and that helped glue that entire part together. Now, the fun part, we can decorate the inside. I wanted to kind of go with the theme of lemons, so I did like some fun green leaves and then white flowers, like there would be on a lemon tree. So these are the ones I chose from the Dollar Tree. I don't have a lot of room to work in this. This is definitely a little mini summer lantern, and it's going to be a hanging lantern. So it's something that you can hang in your bushes or your trees, or you can even use it just sitting down because it's got the glass bottom on there. I decided that the white flowers looked a little bit better if I separated them. Again, I don't have a lot of room in there, but I do want it to be full. When the light shines down into the lemon glass, I want the flowers and the greenery to light up. I pretty much sealed the top, so I don't think any water will really get in there using the jar lid and the solar light the way that I did. For the top here, I'm going to start right here where that mesh and the jar lid comes together, and I'm going to start gluing hot glue. This is going to cover up the lid, and it's going to help attach it to the solar light that we already glued under there. But then I'm also going to be using this rope to attach it to the glass cup. It's really the jar lid and the cup are about the same size. So I'm really going to be stacking that on there. But I went ahead and started the rope all the way around the side of the jar lid. And it kind of adds a decorative touch there too. I'm just using some scrap rope I had, but make sure you have it long enough because you're going to want enough to make a handle as well. Then I laid it onto the glass, and I'm just hot gluing it to the top rim of the glass 2 or 3 times around, just enough to attach it and make it all one piece for this little mini lantern. Once I get enough on there, I'm going to take the extra rope and make a handle. So about halfway, I have the starting rope there be in the back. I'm going to hot glue the same piece straight up the side. Might as well leave it all attached. It's going to make it stronger. And then come down the other side, looping it and making a little hook. For this side, I'm going to hot glue this end down. And I do reinforce this a little bit to make my handle a little bit stronger so it can withstand being hung outside. To do that, I'm going to use just some Dollar Tree twine. It's going to blend in with the rope. You're not even really going to be able to see it. And tie my handle on, going back and forth a couple of times, and then tie that part tight. I thought that would just help reinforce the little hanger on there a little bit. And this was such a fun, easy little solar lantern to do with a fun lemon theme, which I thought was really cute for summer. I know a lot of you guys love decorating with lemons for summer, so I wanted to do one for you. I just burned off any fuzzies from the rope there, and this is how my little solar lemon lantern turned out. That's kind of hard to say. Here it is, and the solar light is all kind of hidden in there, so you really can't notice it during the day. But you see that beautiful lemon glass with the flowers and the greenery inside. And then at night, it lights up and it gives you a really fun pattern. As you can see, the flowers like light up on the ground, like around it. And again, it is a glass solar light, so you're going to want to try to put it somewhere where you don't think it's going to break. But I think these are pretty heavy duty. I think this should last outside pretty well.